Trying to find someone on Facebook but don't know their name? If you have their phone number, you're already halfway there. Most people don't realize Facebook allows number-based searches. Let me show you how to find someone on Facebook using a phone number. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and practical Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step. Find someone on Facebook by phone number. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and sign in. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Stay on the home screen to get started. Step 2. Locate the search icon at the top of the screen. This tool helps you find people, pages, and content quickly. Open the search bar to begin your lookup. You're now ready to enter details. Step 3. Carefully type the phone number of the person you're looking for. Use the correct country code if required. Facebook will instantly scan profiles linked to that number. Wait a moment for results to appear. If this tip is helping you, hit the like button. And subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook search and privacy tricks. These quick tips can save you a lot of time. Step 4. Check the search results shown on your screen. If the number is connected to a Facebook account, the profile will appear. Open the profile to confirm it's the right person. And just like that, you found them. Boom, search successful. You've located a Facebook profile using only a phone number. Finding people on Facebook is easy when you know the right tools. Just remember, results depend on whether the number is linked to a profile. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook tips that make your digital life easy. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and searchable.